Your biggest problem as an entrepreneur building AI products is not technology, it's trust. Here's why and how to fix it. All right, so this is about a tweet I sent a couple days ago. I thought I would expand on it in a video, just more context. And what it says is that building has always been the easiest part of SaaS, distribution the hardest, but now you have 100 times the competitors, peddling slop, eroding trust. So your biggest challenge just became 100 times harder. Good luck out there. That's it. That's the tweet. All right. And what's meant here is really, or what I want to focus on here is really the slop part. So I think people, and we're seeing that with a new product we've launched, where we have a terrible conversion rate. Obviously, a lot of parameters to conversion rate where it's not like a immediately identifiable. Could be the messaging, could be the sign up process, could be the onboarding, etc. So there's different levers here. But I want to focus on the trust piece because from what I've seen, it's just that people, and this is in the digital marketing space, people are just swamped with products and ads and nice looking landing pages that promise the world and deliver nothing. And that's the whole AI slop piece I want to talk about, because that is, even if your product works and it does deliver the results, it's so hard to break through the noise, and it's just becoming harder just because it's becoming easier to build the product, right? So if you think about it as effort, the total amount of effort it takes to launch a startup, maybe it used to be 50-50, 50% of effort goes into the product, 50% of effort goes into the other stuff, or maybe it was 40% product, 60% everything else. But now I almost feel like it's 10% product and 90% everything else, just because if you think about energy, you still have to put in the same amount of energy, but then 10% goes into the product and 90% needs to go somewhere else, because now it's faster to build the product. So all the work just shifts. It's the same amount of work. It just shifts somewhere else, right? So it shifts to distribution and it shifts to building trust, which you can only do by, being a person really, and going, let's say social media, LinkedIn, build both trust and authority there, but also on the landing page, things you can do to get more trust, or putting actual pictures on the landing page of your team. Who are you? What do you stand for? Because this will already set you apart from most of the other really like faceless AI products. And also to one thing, you can do is to have calls with people, right? So essentially what we started out as is a self-serve SaaS. People can just sign up themselves. But again, you have to stand out from everyone else. You have to create enough initial trust that people even sign up. Like that seems to be an issue right now. We started with picking a subscription plan up front just because we have pretty high cost on the product. So it makes sense for us to not have to risk losing a lot of money by having a lot of free trial users that are not going to convert. So that was a bet we took in terms of like placing a hard paywall, but that doesn't let users see the results, right? And so what we're going to try now, because this clearly hasn't worked, right? So this was our initial assumption, but it hasn't worked. And so what we're going to try is free trial. We're going to do demo bookings, since it is possible to self-serve this product, but we think that demo booking will show that there's real people behind this, there's real thinking behind this, and that there is some sort of hand-holding, right? Because not just do we have eroded trust, but we have science, and there's more and more reports coming out that AI product adoption is failing and people are spending more than they're gaining, like negative ROI on AI implementations within companies, which means there's another thing that's eroding trust in AI products, is that they can't deliver the results that they promise, right? Again, it's just the same problem. And I feel like the interesting piece here, this has always been a problem. But if you see trust as a meter, and it used to be, you start out with a little bit of trust and you have to build a little bit more in order to, get over that threshold of like, now you have enough trust for people to sign up. and to use your product and to share your product. Now it's almost like you're starting, with minus 20 trust, with negative trust. And you have to do all the more work to get to zero, and then all the more work to get to even like a positive trust level. And the threshold is also higher that you need to clear in order to even be considered, right? And I think overall, yeah, while, building has become easier, and that was the point of the post, right? To tie the loop there. While building has become easier, distributing has become harder because there's more content, AI generated stuff, slop, whatever you want to call it, but you're competing with that. And then there is more products because building has become easier. So all the effort, has just been amplified to distribute, get signups. So every step of the funnel, right? Distribution, showing it to more people, getting more signups, so getting more conversions, and then also stickiness, long-term usage, retention. Each step of the funnel ultimately relies on trust and that the product produces the results that, it promises. And each of these steps has become harder, which is interesting, right? Because everybody trying to push the narrative of like, oh, it's building a startup has never been easier. And yes, the building part hasn't, but all the other crap is just as hard as before, if not harder, for the reasons we just discussed. All right. That was just a reflection of, my learnings from the last 2-3 months building AI products in the digital marketing space. And yeah, I love to put more time into sharing these lessons. So feel free to do a like and subscribe just so that I know that this is something that resonates with people. And these are struggles that, I do think everybody has one way or another, and that we will need to figure out together. Alrighty, that's it. Cheers.